Fire insurance is a type of home insurance designed to protect the physical structure of your property against losses caused by fire. In the strictest sense, fire insurance will only provide rebuilding costs to the policyholder after their property has been damaged by fire. However, in Hong Kong, it is possible to extend fire insurance protection to include a range of ancillary or allied perils under the policy. Allied perils normally include risks like typhoons, landslides and subsidence, floods, and can even potentially cover earthquakes. This gives you robust protection against a range of risks that might damage your home. And considering most banks require fire insurance for a mortgage, keeps you on the right side of your financial institution. Simple fire insurance will normally be less expensive than a fire and allied perils policy, but both will offer you monetary assistance to rebuild and repair in the event that you experience a covered loss. For more information about fire insurance in Hong Kong or to receive a free quote, ask CCW Global, where your insurance is swift, simple, and sorted.